Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to transfer Hexa Sort to new phone. Moving your progress in Hexa Sort to a new phone is actually pretty simple once you know where the save option is hiding, because for some reason, mobile games love putting the most important buttons in the tiniest corners possible. On the main screen, tap the settings icon in the top right corner and look for the Save Progress option. From there, sign in using either your Google account or Facebook account depending on which one you want to link to your game data. Once connected, your levels, coins, and progress will be saved to that account. Then on your new phone, install Hexasort, open the game, and sign in using the exact same Google or Facebook account through the same Save Progress option. The game should detect your existing save automatically and ask if you want to load or transfer the progress. I always double check the account before confirming because accidentally loading a fresh save feels like deleting your own homework on purpose. It is also a good idea to keep both phones connected to the internet during the transfer so the save syncs properly without weird issues or missing progress. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.